What is up, YouTube? It's Roger, and you're back on Obsessed with the Fix. I'm sitting here inside the family rig, the family unit, the 03 Honda Odyssey mud van. We have no start. This unit has 329,023 miles. So I checked the voltage on the battery. It was like 1250. So I took the battery out of another unit and put it in here. Still no start. So I hit the starter with a hammer and it started. But it stays engaged. It doesn't disengage and then it won't start. And so we're gonna change the starter. We got to get this unit pulled back so we can get in there and work on it. So I'm gonna get on that Bayou 220, and I'm gonna pull that rig back. That's gonna be fun. I could just use the old 93 and pull it back, no problem. But where's the excitement in that? We want to do it with the Bayou 220. So I'm gonna set y'all up on a tripod, and I'm gonna do that. First thing I'm gonna do is use this here tripod to hold up my hood, because I don't know where the hell the hood prop went. Struggle is real. That should be fine, huh? Y'all think that'll fall on me? Probably. Let's get y'all in here. Gonna take that battery out first. We want to loosen it, huh? We don't want to tighten it. Okay. Pull that off. Pull that dude off. I love the battery with no handle. It's my favorite. Really get the arm strength up here. Here is the battery tray. All right, we have one 10 millimeter here, and then back there 12, and then down there we have one, and then down there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna take out. We're gonna start with that 10 millimeter. After we drop all our stuff. Alright. And we got everything in the way that could possibly be in the way. Oh yeah. All right, we got it now. This is where we're gonna speed it up. Yo! That old hand down there and finish it off. We got it, we did it. All right, now we get to 12 millimeter. And get this dude. Got him. And then this dude. Somebody's wanting to message me. Got him broke loose. Y'all can't see anything, can you? It's okay, you're just gonna have to take my word on it. I'm taking bolts out. Alright, we got him out, see? I'm taking bolts out. And then down there, put that up there. Put that up there. I'll probably lose that. I don't know how I lost that ratchet yesterday. I mean that extension and whatnot. Okay. Okay. He wants to be. Okay. I think we got him. Okay. We got one more. What is this? That just pops out. Organize everything there. That just pops on out of there. Okay, what we got here? Got more tabs with more. Got more tabs in the back with stuff we're probably gonna break. We're supposed to come from up underneath, huh? Oh well. I think it'll be alright. Probably break them all. Now, take this baby out of here. Look, it's out. It's out. Now we're going to undo that. Looks like a 13. The hot. I don't know about y'all, but it looks like that thing's grounding out. It looks like that hot's been touching the starter. That's not a 13, y'all. That's a 12. We got this here 12 right here. Let's use it. All right, we got him off. He's off. See that? He's off. All right, next we got two 17 millimeters. And that bottom one's gonna be a doozy because I can't see it. Can y'all see it? No. There we go. 17 millimeter on the top, and somewhere down in the bottom. That's what we're about to take off. Yeah, I know y'all really can't see anything, but we're gonna get it done. I need a new 3/8 ratchet. We got this here. God dog it. That's gonna be hard. Maybe we'll use leverage. All right, then we'll get him there. Oh, yeah. Y'all think it was tight? I think that mug was on there. That mother... Yeah. It was tight, y'all. It was really tight. Now, the bottom one, we're just gonna have to play it, feel around in there, and feel for it. Is that it? That's it on the bottom there? I don't know. Hopefully this one's tighter, you know? I mean, I can't really... Where's it at? Is that it? I think we're on it. Oh, come on. Come on. Ah. Come on, come on. Come on now, baby. We are getting it done. Oh yeah, that one wasn't as tight as the top one. I was hoping it would be twice as tight, but you know. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. Yeah. This one's like all the way. We're gonna get it, y'all. Oh, I think we're finally getting some hand turn action on it. Golly. Bolt is long. I don't think that's long enough. Let's get this top one out. We're getting hand action on this one. That's good. All right. Let's get this pile out of here. Camera died as soon as I was taking the starter out. But here it is, it's out. There it is, new unit. As you can see, the Bendix is stuck out on this one. All right, let's get this unit put back in. Take this starter, throw it over there. Can y'all see anything? Probably not. I think this video might be a bust. But we're gonna try. We have to. We're getting it done, y'all. Probably just speed through this, huh? I love baking in the sun. When I buy a house, it's gonna have concrete and at least a covered parking garage or shop or something, you know? That's what we want. Yeah. We don't like this baking in the sun while we working on the cars. Let's go. What to do? I buy 12 forever. He fell deep in there. He's gone forever. Where's he at? Where'd he even go? I don't know. I need that too, huh? Of course. Of course. Of course. I don't know where it went. I don't know. 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 Well, I just realized the camera wasn't on. So, that's a bust, huh? What's that? All right. 7.3. All right, that goes there. That goes. My camera keeps dying, so let's see if it likes it. It liked it. It likes it. What's good? And that's gonna do it for this video. I don't know how good it was. I know it's bright out here, but now you know how to change the starter on a 2003 Honda Odyssey. I think it goes from like the mid-90s to now. I think they all use the 3.5. That's gonna do it for this video. If you would, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.